Friends, today in this video we are going to study about the structure of cell. In our earlier videos we discussed the cell according to their size, shape and number. Now in this video we are going to find out what is the structure of cell. It means how the cell, a typical cell looks like. We already know that cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It means it is a fundamental unit of life and the building blocks of life, as well as cell is sufficient to do all type of activities. Now we are going to see how the cell look like. First of all, we have divided the structure of cell in the three parts, and one by one we will study the in details. First, the membrane part. The cell, the outer covering of the cell we can consider as an outer membrane, and basically the outer membranes are two types: plasma membrane and cell wall. So plasma membrane basically found in the animal cell, and cell wall is basically found in the plant cell. So the outer covering of a cell is, there are two types that will be like plasma membrane and the cell wall. Second we comes here, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid portion of the cell, in which all the things are embedded, and they help in the transport of the substance between the different components of the cell. So it is a fluid portion of the cell. And third we will categorize the cell organelles. These are the one of the basic component of the cell through which cell do all its activity. These are called the components of cell, which are very specific in their function. Now there are different type of cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. So they are the some cell organelles which are present in the cytoplasm of the cell, and they are self-sufficient to do their specific functions, and it makes the cell metabolically active. So in this way we are going to study one by one each structure of each part of the cell. Now one thing comes that a typical cell we will see the cell in the two different structure of the cell we see. One is of our plant cell and animal cell. There is little bit difference between the plant cell and animal cell, and due to that differences we are going to study the plant cell, animal cell in differently. So plant cell, basically what the common between them, there is some differences. So differences is basically plant cell contains cell wall, but animal cell does not contain any cell wall. Plant cell contain a large vacuoles and animal cell contains very small vacuole. And third one is your chloroplast. Plant cell contain the chloroplast, but animal cell does not contain any chloroplast. So chloroplast is basically the chlorophyll, the green pigment. So, and the common thing in both, that is mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, cytoplasm and ribosomes. So these are the some common things which you are able to see in both plants and animal cell, but some are differences here. So we will study the plant cell and animal cell separately. Now the structure of plant cell. So what the structure of plant cell? Plant cell is, we know that this is the basic structure of plant cell. We already know that plant cell contain the nucleus, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, cell wall, cell membrane, and this yellow color is shown, that is cytoplasm. This is your mitochondria, vacuoles, amyloplast, that is your starch grain, and the ribosomes. So this is the typical structure of plant cell. We already discussed that what are the things present in the plant cell. So basically it contains cell wall, which you will not found in the animal cell, and they also contain this chloroplast. You will not found it in the animal cell, and a large vacuole is there. So this is the structure of plant cell. Next is our structure of animal cell. So this is the structure of animal cell. The animal cell contain only one layer of outer membrane, that is called plasma membrane. That is called your plasma membrane. This animal cell does not contain any cell wall. So that is the difference from the plant cell. So all the organelles like your lysosomes, ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, vacuoles, rough endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, these all things are common between the cell. Only the few differences that we already discussed. So we understood that how the structure, what is the structure of cell. The structure of cell, it means it having a outer membrane. There is a nucleus in between them, that is the center, that is the controlling part of the cell, and the different type of organelle is there. So this is the basic structure of plant and animal cell. Now we will study one by one so the function of each and every part of the cell.